Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from Fidelity to Venmo. First, you'll need to link your Fidelity account to Venmo. This process involves adding your Fidelity investment account as a bank account within the Venmo application. Once linked, you can easily initiate transfers directly from your Fidelity balance to your Venmo account, making it simple to move your funds. To link your accounts, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Me tab. From there, select Bank and Cards and then choose Add a Bank or Card. You'll then select Bank and follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your Fidelity investment account. This usually involves logging into your Fidelity account through Venmo's secure portal to authorize the connection. Once your Fidelity account is linked, initiating a transfer is straightforward. In the Venmo app, tap the Pay or Request button. You'll then enter the specific amount of money you wish to transfer from your Fidelity account. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details to ensure accuracy, then confirm the transfer. Keep in mind that transfers from Fidelity to Venmo typically process within 1 to 3 business days. Also, be aware of any daily or weekly transfer limits that Venmo may impose on your account. For more details on these limits and other helpful information, check the description below. You'll also find a link there for the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.